if you notice here, here are a set of words which show every single possible vowel sound that an Indian English speaker can pronounce. For example, take. Here is an A that is very different from thence A. Okay, if you say take, that is A. And then you have then, which is N. So A and A. Then you have cut, but, and all those. See, this sound, the cut, but, and all that sound, this is very much alike the this is very much like the first alphabet of your Hindi script, that is A. So cut, ka, and ta. Then we come to put, that is a smaller or choppy oo. Then we come to shoot, which is nothing but badi oo. Then you have caught, o, and this is no, o. So there's o and there's o. Then you have car as in a fuller a, and then you have cat as in a. So if you notice here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 vowels, 9 vowel sounds that I have reproduced here. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to sit down and put some thought into it, that are there any more vowel sounds that are present in English? And I'll tell you where to begin. You have your Hindi vowel sounds from a, e, u, a, I, o, ah. So what I want you to do is think corresponding to these very vowel sounds and think if there are other words which have these many vowel sounds that are present in Hindi similar to that in English.